What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to use mean and mode methods to fill missing data. Without any further ado, let's start our video. Here I imported all the necessary libraries and our dataset. Okay, so this is our garage dataset. For simple understanding, I extracted these features: garage, year built, garage cars and garage area from house pricing dataset. We have 149 rows and 3 columns. Now let's take a look on missing data. Garage year built contains 79 missing values. Garage cars and garage area contains 2 missing values. Before we code for our missing data, first, what is mean and mode? Mean is equal to sum of all the elements upon the number of elements. In simple language, mode is the most common value in our feature. As you can see here, garage cars contains repeated number of values from 0 to 4. So here, for repeated values, we are going to use most common value, which is mode method. Whereas garage area column contains continuous values or any random numbers. So wherever there are continuous values, we are going to use mean method. For year built, mean is not possible and so many years are there, so we can't use mode method. That's why I'm inserting random year at the place of these 79 missing values. So this is our simple code. Fill now function in Python is used to fill the missing values. So guys, I simply applied mean, mode and inserted random year 2001 in these 3 columns. So finally, congratulations, we filled all the missing values successfully on our dataset. Here 2001, for most common value 2 and the mean 472. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful in your data science journey, then please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.